Real quick before we get into today's video, we're going to be adjusting my schedule for my Saturday morning comics. I'm going to start scheduling them for every other Saturday. I have my older photo stories I created back in the early 2000s and 2010s. I really want to do, and some of them are several pages long. Are going to take me more than a week to put together. I really want to do a good job on them because I really think that you would enjoy them. Okay, let's get into today's video. You probably remember these. These are the AliExpress glasses that I picked up several months ago. And they're actually pretty cool. The metal frame ones and the sunglasses. I really like these glasses on con because they really look nice. And they fit pretty well. They fit better than the shades. And since I wear glasses and con is kind of like my mini-me, so I think he looks pretty good in glasses. The problem I found about these glasses is that they don't stay on his face really well, and they're kind of stick up over his ears, and they have a tendency to fall off. I've tried to tighten them up and squeeze them onto his head, but it seems that they're just not going to stay. And I really want to include these glasses as part of Con's character. So I came up with a way to get him to stay, and I did this. I poked a hole into his head in his temples and stuck the arms of the glasses in. This one didn't turn out as well, but that's okay. This one looks better. And this was kind of scary to do to a action figure head that I don't really have a copy of, but I think it turned out nice. And I just poked holes in his head with a X-Acto knife and then stuck the arms in there and kind of bent it. And I think it really turned out nice. And now the glasses are not going to fall off and they're going to stay on his head. And I don't have to worry about them coming apart or losing them. Well, let me know what you think. Appreciate you watching. Don't forget to collect, inspire, create. See you in the next video.